Hi everybody, my name is Liz. I am from Northeastern Pennsylvania and I currently am a program supervisor for an independent living program called the Bridge to Independence program through Catholic Social Services. The Bridge to Independence program is a program for young adults with mental health issues. Here we help them gain the life skills they need to move out and live on their own in the community. I think three assets that I will bring to the class are my experience in the mental health field. I've been working in the field for 5 years now as a caseworker at a CRR program. I worked as a caseworker in a school, and now I am a caseworker and program supervisor for a mental health program. So I think having the different populations I worked with in different environments can be a good asset. Another asset of mine, I am very open-minded. I'm really understanding and knowing that people all have different opinions and stories and backgrounds, and I think that's really important to have, especially working in social work. And I think another asset is that I'm a good listener. I'm here just to listen, not to give feedback, not to criticize anybody. Sometimes people just need to talk and let things out, so I think that's a really strong asset of mine. I'm excited for this class, and it was nice meeting all of you. Thanks.